Hi guys, welcome back to my first video after the Easter break. Yes, all the ones you've seen previously have been pre-recorded, but this is fresh new recordings. But this is from Craft Buddy, and I want to give a massive shout out to, I can never get this right, but I think it's Liz Scottie Dog Crafts or something. So Liz Scottie Dog Craft, if I got that wrong, I do apologise. But if someone knows the name of that channel, just whack it in the comments. But I'm pretty damn sure it's called Liz Scottie Dog Crafts, because Liz very kindly sent me a message to say that the Craft Buddy was doing a discount, and this is from Craft Buddy. Apparently they've got a discount code of WELLS15, so I think it's WELLS and then 15, and that goes for everyone. And they've got two other codes, which I can't remember at the top of my head, but I decided to use it against this. I think it was like 75p off or something like that, but I just had to get it. Now, I saw this on Liz's channel. What I love most about watching creators is the fact that if I see something I like, 10 times out of 10, I'm going to order it. And this painting was from Craft Buddy. But it's also was on Liz, and what I like about watching them as well, it gives you an idea what they look like before you buy it. And this is what I got. Oh, we got an invoice there. Let me just carry that. Didn't expect to have an invoice in there. That's very old-fashioned these days. They don't tend to do invoices these days, but look at that. I could not resist, guys. I had to get it. This is fairly new. It's the Happy Birthday Craft Buddy limited edition, I think it was, because they've got this brand new, this is newly launched, but at the time it was limited edition, and I think they've now rolled it out for everyone. But as you can see, it's our partial card, and inside here, oh wow, oh that is the, oh wow, yeah, seriously, that on there looks a hell of a lot different than when you open it up like that, and then you get that wow factor. Yeah, so this is a partial. I'm really happy with this. This is gorgeous. I'm really tempted to get that, actually. This some sort of wreath thing full of butterflies, because my relative would like that. So let's get into here. Yeah, I just had to get this. Now, obviously, I'm a little bit debating whether I should do it as like a genuine gift, a genuine birthday card for someone, because it's not really a card that I would tend on keeping, if you get me. But yeah, this is lovely by the looks of it. So let's get into here. So in here we've got our drills. Let's get into the boat first. Oh, damn. I should have kept them. Never mind, not to worry. My friend is always asking for bags, so I will get them sent out to you, Diamond Paints with TM, because she wants bags, so I'll sort that out. And in here, so yeah, again, your standard sort of boats. And then in here we've got the what I'll do, Tessa, hang on a minute, I'm just trying to think if I've still got, yeah, what I'll do, Tessa, if you're watching, I'll send you the bags with your little bag that I made from Make and Create. This is the thing I made from the crafting channel, but that is yours too. So what I'll do is I'll send you the bags with that once I've got the thing that goes in that bag, okay? So yeah, sorry about that, diverting away slightly. Oh, look, we've got a random drill there. Actually, I think it's, I don't think it's random. My mind's all fried, it's been a long day. I don't know why we've got a splatter of milk. I do apologise, I'm not very well prepared tonight, but just pretend the milk is not there. I did not notice that, I do apologise. But as you can see, oh, we've got some crystals in this one. That's gorgeous. Yeah, so we've got a mixture of rhinestones and crystals here. So there's an escapee, look, there's a pink one in there. But, oh, lovely colours. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, look at them pinks. Beautiful, so sexy. Oh, yeah, man, I do like the pinks. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. We've got, oh, that is beautiful. That's bringing me back vibes from Puddle Duck, when I done Puddle Duck from Peter Rabbit. That is absolutely vibrant. That's got to be the most beautifulest pink I've ever seen in painting. Then we've got some very sharp, tender yellows, sort of bumblebee colours, and then we've got a blue one there. But that pink is beautiful. Look at that. You could make some earrings with that, if you wanted to, you know. Do something, perhaps put it on something, and then That is just, oh, wow. Like that. Now, I don't keep the envelopes because when sometimes with envelopes, I'll keep them for letters because I do a hell of a lot of writing letters to people. Or if I'm sending it, like for example, this one, I've got the vision that I probably will. I'm getting the vibe that this is not really one for the wall, so I might do it as a birthday present and then just, you know, give it to someone, shove a tenner in it. But that's gorgeous. It's a really nice thick card. The great thing is with Craft Buddy is their thickness is gorgeous. Now, I've just ordered another one, and very similar, but it's on Amazon. They've got a lot of sales on at the moment on Amazon. The next one I've got is a £2.50, and it's due to come tomorrow. So you'll see that on the Friday, because this will be Wednesday's video. But that's just got so much splash of colour. Really, really vibrant. And look at that. Spot on. That yellow against that candle. That's beautiful. Oh, that's lovely. I'm really happy with this. I think I'll pay $5.99 for this. But overall, if you want to get this for yourself, it is with Craft Buddy. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.